Hello guys, today I already received my new product. Okay, obviously I cannot wait to open it. Me and my family we're very excited for having this product because I recently well, let me first show you what I buy. Okay, I buy these mini batch straps. Okay, there are a lot and we are very excited, and we decided to have these ones because we recently buy some annual passes for a park that we are basing it. So I think these ones are very beautiful and I like it a lot because it has like many designs, too many colors. So we already divided in our family, and I decided to stay with this one because my favorite color is the pink color. Okay, so we have the blue one like with yellow. We have also this that it's very similar, but it's a different type of blue. Like I can show you here. They are different but similar. And this one that it's like another type. It's like a beige color with like some brown or red. And we have the black one with yellow. Okay, it's like this. So, and I already have this ID card. Okay, so I'm going to put it in mine. So like for example, you put it like this. Okay, wow, it all looks beautiful. Really, I love this. Okay, and it looks like this. Okay, like this, and here it will be like my my ID card for the park. So you have it. Okay, I buy these ones because in some parks, in every game you enter, they ask you for your ID. So I think it's perfect. Or also if you work like in an office and you want to look different, or also if you're like a teacher, I think it's perfect. Like if you're like a teacher and you want like always your classmate, it's telling you by your name, you can have here like teacher and your name, and it will be perfect. It looks beautiful. Okay, I think it's like different types of colors, so I really like it.